Okay, due to the high amount of questions about how do you set the mechatronic actual this little gear at the top, so you can clearly see I've got a drill bit in there, but if you spin this wheel, here until you see a hole. Look. Oh, you see that hole? Come on, there. That hole has to be aligned with the hole in here. Oh, it broke. There, yeah. So put a drill bit or whatever, something that has the right thickness, but it won't move. So in my opinion, drill bit does the job. There. Sound. So the wheel is stationary, yeah. Now the lever for the gears all the way back, and one click forward. That's it. Now don't trap this wire anywhere because it's important. Remember, new gaskets. I've just fitted mine. So now just slowly offer the mechatronic up towards the gear there, and now get yourself a bolt, the one that holds the wheel. Slide that through gently because mine got stuck, so that means we need to wiggle something like the plastic at the top and screw it down so that it lifts slightly up, but only a couple threads, yeah. Now you see I'm moving the drill bit and that's moving. So now we can remove the drill bit, wipe hands, and now there are two bolts that hold the electrical part at the top, and don't forget that they have a specific place where they have to be as well. Mine, for some reasons, don't want to line up. I don't know why. There is a tiny little hole at the top. Oh, there is a tiny hole behind there, and this has a little sort of like a plastic pin that has to sort of interlock with each other. Now screw on these two screws. I think it's this, yeah. 1, 2. Voila. Now tighten them up, and then you can fit the mechatronic sort of bolt together. That's it. Simple as that. Yeah, hard. So hopefully that helped. Thank you.